which the 8th. It's November 8th, 2020. This video is not going to be posted for a while, yeah, until we actually go turbo. This is an unboxing. We got a turbo manifold, finally, after hard work and dedication and a lot of people helping me out, especially that one. Big thank you to this man right here, Carlos. Got me a turbo. We unboxed it already. It was like, as soon as it got there, it got unboxed. Like, I didn't even bother to record because we were like super excited about it and stuff. And now we're just gonna do an unboxing of the things we got right here, which is the main components to go turbo on the EK, right?
Oh yeah.
They give me stickers for a $400 part?
Nah, you got a receipt with that. Give me a receipt. Here you go, this is how much you wasted.
They brought Cheetos. The glue is gonna melt up. Yeah.
No, you can put that bitch right here.
Alright.
Fucking let all that shit fly off.
The hardware is here. Smack it down through the hardware.
Oh. With that V-band, boy.
Damn, it's pretty heavy, not gonna lie. Y'all ready?
Dun, da, da, da.
Damn, son.
God. This thing is going on the EK. And by the looks of it, I think it will be like good fitment wise.
Hopefully, right?
Yeah. Right here. Let's pretend that's the header side of the intake. The motor que diga. Damn.
Yo, that's clean.
El turbo. You get that Garrett precision turbo.
$4,500.
So yeah, we got a Chinese spoolie boy.
Other people's, I guess, experiments.
Yep. And I'm assuming this is gonna go that way, right?
Yeah.
So we'll sit something like this, huh?
And it's gonna have to get clogged.
Yeah, it's gonna have to get clogged because that wastegate is in the way.
Put it the other way around?
Yeah, but then that's gonna be the hot side on the.
Yeah, it definitely goes the other way.
It goes this way.
You just clock it that way.
Or you plug it forward.
Something like this.
You can put the hardware on right now.
Yeah, I can. Fuck it, let's go for it. Put it right here.
Make these washers work for something.
Excuse me.
How'd you like them apples?
Let him grab it once.
La tiene muy grande.
La fe en Cristo.
Yeah.
Might need some longer studs.
Or you put them upside down.
Yeah, it's gonna need longer studs if you're, because remember the gas is gonna be there.
Can't you just put like bolts to make sense?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking about. Instead of using these, because these usually give out a lot.
Enjoy the color while you have it.
Exactly, because this color is gonna go away once.
Yeah, it definitely needs a clock.
The clickbait. I mean, not clickbait. The
Thumbnail.
thumbnail.
Dun, da, da, da. Oh, it's not that heavy.
Yeah, look at your size compared to mine though. my arms are the size of this freaking tube right here.
Soplámela.
Bro, and that, we're gonna have to clock it. Because look, it's touching here as well.
Yeah.
So maybe a good idea would be to cut those like things off and actually go V-band on the turbo.
Cut what off?
esto. And just go V-band. Because this is kind of getting in the way. It's actually touching it. It's probably stopping it from like going all the way in.
No.
Make sure we don't use these. We don't want these going anywhere.
Yeah. Ace Hardware.
Ooh. Fuck. My nut.
The first one.
Man, you're getting crazy views of the welds. That's what 1320 does.
If you want to sponsor us, let us know.
Please. I bought a $85 piece of metal to tension my timing belt. Please sponsor me.
My car was already built, so I can't say shit.
This thing is sick, bro.
I just added a few more things to it. That's all I did.
Shooting a porno real quick. Everything looks freaking nice, bro. Could have mocked us up on the car today, but you know the shitty ass weather in freaking Miami.
It's Miami for you guys.
Oh, don't worry, I'm gonna race you when I go turbo.
Rice.
Sucks
here's
about
the
this is
That
that
it's not on the car.
it's not on the car, and once this gets rammed on,
It's gonna lose all that
it's
beautiful
gonna
color.
lose all that beautifulness right there.
I'm gonna gain some color too.
You can just fucking torch it up with the heat with a torch.
1320. Only, to be honest, that's the only like manifold I bought from, because like the manifold I got right now for all motors 1320 as well. Well, it's not really all motors.
As well.
Yeah, he got 1320 also, like 1320, like sponsor us please. And
Send sign our way.
because our plan is to just go
Nitrous.
full send. Full send on
Nitrous.
1320 basically. I've been buying nothing but parts from 1320, so oh well, whatever happens happens. The future holds a lot of
Wants to
stuff, right?
sponsor us too, we'll take that.
Milwaukee, especially for him. Milwaukee, if you're watching.
Milwaukee.
That shit is, he wants that shit to be full of Milwaukee, so please Milwaukee, just, you know.
branded the Milwaukee.
I thought the clip was gonna be over already, but I guess we're clocking it all in one video, huh?
Tools already in hand. Take your time.
Whoops.
Clock.
It's already beer o'clock.
That's what we do Sundays in Florida. We clock turbos and unbox with freaking turbo manifolds.
And grill.
Yeah. I do not know about turbos. I don't know what size this is. I don't know what it does. All I know is that it does is spools, and then it freaking gets turbo, and then it brings like fire, and then it brings a lot of horsepower to your car, and that's it, right?
Air.
Yeah.
Ahí de.
Creo que está soltándole el-
Unless this one over here is still tight. Mm-hmm.
It's time flojo. No
Should have already
time.
been moving.
No time to move.
Please don't make me.
Oh
Ooh.
shit. She's coming out.
So I guess that's the way we're supposed to be clocked on. No, I wouldn't clock it like that.
But you need to stay away from the boot.
You have to go right here.
Yeah, but if you put it here, the coupling.
You can rebound it.
A lot of V-bands equals more money, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Fuck that, worth it.
Fuck yeah,
That
dude.
boost is staying in there one way or another.
Vibrant.
That goes to Vibrant too. You want to sponsor us? Let us know.
And plus, we got a EK that we want to build soon. We just want to build it and have some, like, at least people backing us up for it. It'll be nice.
Especially
Like, we're actually gonna go all out. We're actually gonna try to do body work and stuff like that, and like
Yeah.
do it little by little.
So
So
they want to send out gas lines and all that, fittings, V-bands, anything.
anything car related. No dildos in the freaking PO box. Ooh.
You know?
The wastegate could go like aim down that way.
Or if you can go like at an angle up, maybe.
Hell no, we started right back into the downpipe. Make sure everything comes out the hood. Or wherever you're gonna put the exhaust.
Excuse me. Based off what I heard, like it sounds pretty loud when you aim it down.
Whichever way it's gonna aim, it's still gonna be loud.
Yeah. Bitch.
Because I like seeing all the fire come out the back, so.
¿Te gusta verla por detrás?
Fuck yourself on that one.
So this is how it looks clogged. Yo, look.
Yo.
Así se mira clogged.
Oh shit.
That one's a better sight to look at.
Shitty. Gonna need a little more, honestly. I mean, possibly.
I think it's good there, to be
Once
honest.
we have that wastegate on there and that charge pipe on there.
I think I'm gonna get that next fake check, the wastegate, because the piping is bullshit. You just get a universal kit.
Yeah.
I just want to get like the main components, basically like the wastegate, the blow-off valve. Like I don't want to cheap out on those two, to be honest.
You gonna put a blow off valve?
Yeah. I don't know. It depends. I just want to hear like certain noises.
That's what I want.
If it makes
controller.
Yeah, manual boost controller. Fuck you. You still went over?
Nah, it literally just said it was going away, but it didn't even go over.
Gotta do some cleaning.
I don't know why, but that turbo looks huge there. Oh, I just don't know a huge turbo yet.
Way bigger than my SRT turbo.
Yeah, that is.
Nigga, you got a quarter for a turbo.
Dang, that looks clean. Chinese Spoolie Boy in 1320.